Dad, can you read Coneboy Golliday finally likes his donuts, soda and glitter?
Sure. Our story begins from a Cretopia, in an industrial district. They live are two friends named Meatwade and his friend, Coneboy Golliday.
Hey Coneboy Golliday, what's the matter?
Well, I hate donuts, soda and glitter, because I hate all the three things when I hate.
Why now you would like donuts, soda and glitter?
Okay, fine, I will like donuts, glitter and soda.
Oh Coneboy Golliday, I brought you a donut, soda and a glitter for drawing.
Donuts. I love donuts. And I like soda and glitter for my drawing. See? I told you I like donuts, soda and glitter for my drawing.
Why not? We can draw with our four friends like Spotty, Avery, Ezekiel, and Chilbo the Sloth.
Sure. And can we use glitter?
Of course you can use glitter, if you want to.
Oh Spotty, Kildo, Eva and Ezekiel.
Look! There comes coneboy Golliday and Meatwade.
Look what we draw, a cute art out of you with the glitter.
Cute. Cheap.
Yay, you made my girlfriend out of birdie.
I love this art.
Thank you so much.
And so, Coneboy finally likes his glitter, donuts and soda. And they live happily ever after. The end.
Oh, that was a great story, Dad, but how did it happen Coneboy likes glitter for his art, soda and donuts?
Yet, he finally likes his donuts, soda and glitter for his art. And Victoria now is right all along. Sorry son.
Oh.
It's okay Rocket, Victoria-chan is right, but you still like donuts, soda and glitter for your art.
Happy Dr.
Happy
Martin
Dr.
Luther King
Martin
Jr.
Luther
Day
King
everyone.
Jr. Day everyone.